Hello Skillshare, I am about to start the mega giant awesome Photoshop course. So there'll be kind of two parts. There'll be the essentials for new people, be a nice long course like my other ones. There'll be an advanced one for the people that are already pretty good. And what I'd like to know is, I'm just kind of getting the outline together, and I'd like to know a couple of things. One is what you are. Okay, you might be a photographer. I just want to know your kind of use case. Okay, you might be social media marketing person, animator, illustrator. I'd like to know that. I'd also like to find out what techniques you want to learn. Okay, it might be like focusing on masking, that's a real problem, or you're brand new and layers give you a problem, blending modes, anything like that, any techniques that you want to cover. And probably the most important is visual styles, like what out there that you love, you'd like to know how to make in Photoshop, okay? So you can kind of see here just some basic ones. These aren't mine, they're just kind of examples of things we could cover. I'd like to see, it's a little hard, the discussions forum here in Skillshare. I don't think I can send images. If it can, awesome. If not, just send me kind of screenshots or things you'd like to do or stuff that you're doing and you're like, man, there's got to be a better way, or I hope there's a faster way, and send me, you know, images of what you're doing. Okay, and social media is probably the best way. So tag me and Skillshare in. Okay, for Instagram, I am Bring Your Own Laptop, and on Twitter, I am Dan Loves Adobe. I'm on the other ones as well if you can find me. But I'd like to see, yeah, the kinds of styles that you'd like to do so that I can incorporate them in the course, and you might actually see your exact kind of, I guess, suggestion played out in the tutorial. Yeah, that's what I want. That's the end. I can say goodbye now. Bye now.